Hey guys, welcome back to A Smarter House, your permanent solution for all your smart home queries and problems. We are one of the first YouTube channels to inform you about IKEA's new smart home product, and that flagship IKEA product is up for sale on the market now. In today's video, we'll learn how you can purchase the Dirigera for your home. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Dirigera, the matter-ready hub for smart products from IKEA, was going to be launched in October. It arrived a month earlier on IKEA's official site in some countries. You can access their official website to purchase Dirigera, or you can access the page from the link in the description. The Dirigera is on sale here for 699 Norwegian krone, which roughly translates to 70 euros. The concerning part is that the Dirigera is so hyped up that it's currently sold out on the official website. You should have to wait until they restock it again. You can click on the "At the Department Store" option here to see if it's in the inventory of any department store near you. Unfortunately, it's sold out in my nearby stores too. You can try your luck there. But I guess the Dirigera will be available soon, as they have now officially listed it for sale on the website and rolled out the stock in the department stores too. You can see here at the bottom of the right corner that it says "New and better replacement for trawl-free gateway. Sales start in October." So, yes, the long wait is coming to an end, and we can have the exciting smart hub from IKEA hopefully in less than a month. So, that's it for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed watching the video. Subscribe to the channel for more smart and useful content. I'll be back with more crazy smart home solutions soon. Till then, keep exploring.